Okay. There it is. Lunker? What's a lunker? Is that when you have tuberculosis? Isn't that what they call Doc Holliday, is a lunker? Oh, you should have worn your little boots instead of those Romeos. I don't know why they call them Romeo. Should have brought my waders. No. I'd go buy them. Or steal them. I don't know why they do this. They should clean this stuff up. That's ridiculous. Why? The rain? Oh, dude. It'll be fine. We'll just have to cast it different times. Where did I get that? That's yours? You want it back? Fish. Ooh, a little sparkly. Should I go with silver or gold? Well, you don't think fish like gold? Oh, they're not. These aren't the high fluting. These are more. Oh no, yuppie fish. Okay. Have you ever smelled fish bait that smelled good? I think you went shopping at the wrong store.
Yeah, maybe.
Better than Eugene. Oh, awesome. Yeah, that's gonna be good. No! Yeah, a tree! I'll clean it out, don't worry. No, you're not. You'll be fine. Don't be a sissy. Go out there and get that for me, would you? Well, yeah, I know. Yeah, you know what's bad? Is this line. No, it doesn't. That's the problem. Ooh, I got one. One of them rare tree fishies. How deep is that? Deep. You don't know that. You don't know how deep I want to go. Until she says that's deep. Hold on. How much line left? Hold on, I'll pull the tree in. Oh!
Are you sure let me cut it?
No, get some tape.
Sorry, you don't need a fishing
Hey,
fish.
hey. Look, I can take that much off, and I can make it work. Dang it, I've had this thing for like...
You want me to cut it now?
I don't know. I might just throw the whole damn thing in the water. Don't judge me. Okay. Ready? Hey, you cut my line. I wanted that bobber. A big fish I pulled out with this. Yeah. One. Just one. Hey, guess what? Did you hang up too? Yeah. You know, your fishing spots are awesome. I love them. The wind, the timing, everything. That ain't gonna hold nothing. That's gonna break right out of there. Don't break your... Ah!
I got my back.
I bought it years ago when I was a little boy. I'm 26. I put a lot more pressure than that on it before. Got turned upside down. Facto. You know, I was worried about, you know, running out of line and stuff like that, not breaking my freaking pole. But whatever. You know, it all works. Lost a bobber, lost some weights, lost a really good fishing pole. Can you get it for me? If you could just hook onto it with your line and pull it back in, that would be amazeballs. Alright, let's see how this works. It's kind of in line. Woohoo! Out of line though. What the heck? Stupid wind. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No. Ah. I did something.
Yeah, I left all my Oh, really? The reel was still good.
I'm casting out here. The wind catches it, puts it in the tree. Screw this fishing crap. Hey, it's sinking.
Hey.
That's pretty deep. It wasn't sinking until you started screwing with it. That reel ain't no good. Well, you want it? Buy everything new. And buy the good stuff.
I see that.
The stuff that doesn't get hung up in trees. No, you can have it if you want it. I don't need to. Where are you? Yeah. Well, I could have thrown it there. Now.
I'm going to double up on the reel.
No, this pole is like, I don't know, 10 years old.
Caught a lot of fish.
I have caught a lot of fish with this. Like 15 cents.
Go towards your new pole.
Yeah, I probably won't be fishing for a while since I'm like broke.
Use that reel. Actually, I've got a pole.
I buy the good stuff, the stuff that comes with a kit. It's already set up. Has the little spinners, and we should have stayed over there on the dock. That guy lied to you because he didn't want you to ground you.
Yeah, he's like, wait.
See, look, I can totally cast. They're gonna hook it all up, put their good reel on it, and cast it
all
like this,
out
and go wow. It breaks. Hey, I need one of those little kids ones that shoots the.
Not what I thought it would be.
Perfect. Perfect. It's one of those collapsible poles.
Dude, it's happened so far. You done or you?
Yeah. Like a freaking what? Nunchucks.
Alright, let's go.
I gotta pick my stuff up.
Hey, you got a 3-piece fishing rod. You're fancy.
I gotta go to
Hold on, can I do your rod now? We're gonna go look at
oh yeah, we gotta go there anyway, so I can look at fishing. Dang it, I gotta wear ma-
Look at this. I can double this up. Put 2 lines down at once.
Oh yeah? This is a special nunchuck edition.
Oh, man.
Hi-ya!
Are you ready yet? We drove an hour.
Hi-ya! Make me get my nunchuck fishing line out. Well, it's collapsible. Really nice if it's right in the back of the. Wow. Yeah, it's lays right back. You can even, honestly, you can break this again and get an even smaller. For the low price of $19.99 plus shipping and handling, you can get this custom pole. But wait, there's more. If you send us your fishing pole, we can customize your fishing pole to look like this one. Just extra order of shipping and handling.